welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, the lighting is so bad. But I went to Trader Joe's and it's now like 8 o'clock at night. No, it's 8 o'clock. 7:30, sun's going down. But I wanted to show you guys some things I got from Trader Joe's. So keep on watching and I'll have the points for you, the Weight Watcher points if you guys are here from that community. Then I'll have that for you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And oh my gosh, the sun's going down. It looks really pretty behind you guys. Wish you could see it. Okay, so before I show you guys everything that I got, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, okay? This is not the best to get. It is beer and it's Sapporo, but it's so good. I like to get this when I go get sushi. So I was like, they got it in cans, I'm getting it. So, okay, let's start off over here. We've got some mini beef tacos. These are just simple for the family and they're really good. They have them in chicken as well, but we're gonna stick with the beef one today. It is 5 points for 4 mini tacos. They are so good. Next, we got some cultured low-fat buttermilk. This is for a recipe, but let's see how many points. 4 points for a cup, and it's not focused, okay. Then we got eggs, 0. I've got some nectarines in here. I think I've got, yeah, 4 of them in there. Got some mushrooms. I love to make mushrooms just alone, or I like to mix them in scrambled eggs or just in a pasta dish. It's so good. I just love mushrooms. Delicious. Then we got the squishers for the kids and for myself. And if you've watched my hauls before, you know I like to be all fancy dancy with these and put these in little cups and add fresh fruit to it as well. Make it just look really cute and fancy. So 1 tube is 3 points. Asparagus. Did you guys see my bacon wrapped asparagus? Yeah. So I got some bacon for some bacon wrapped, and I just like asparagus by itself, and the kids love asparagus. This bacon is 2 slices, 2 points. Yeah. Love bacon wrapped asparagus. Then got some Greek yogurt, non-fat, plain. And of course that is 0 points for a cup. Bananas, gotta love bananas. And then I got some macaroni pasta. I like this kind, my kids like this kind. I think it just looks fun instead of just plain old spaghetti noodles. They like these, so yeah. And that is 6 points for a quarter cup. Of course I have to get mangoes every time I'm there. I told myself to get like 3 of these, but I didn't, I only got 1. Got some grape tomatoes, little baby tomatoes. Love these alone as a snack, or when I need tomatoes in a recipe, I like to have these and just slice these up super easy. Then we got some unsweetened almond milk, because last time I didn't get unsweetened. 1 point for 1 cup. Then I got these for the kids. They're the little silver dollar pancakes, and they like these a lot, so gotta make the kids happy. And they are 7 points for 11 pancakes. So you get 11 of these little things for 7 points. Then I got some blueberry waffles, and I actually like these. These are so good. I haven't got them in a while, but they are so good. And just the box alone right now smells like blueberries. It smells so good. And it's 7 points for 2 waffles. Oops. And then I got some soy sauce, because you guys know when I go there, I get the chicken cilantro wontons just to stock up with cauliflower rice. That's my favorite dish, with some broccoli added in there. Oh, the best. This time I decided to add a little bit of edamames to it as well, like on the side. I just love edamames so much with sea salt. Oh my gosh, the best. And I drizzle a little bit of soy sauce on this as well. The best. But anyways, if you guys are curious, if you guys are new here, are new to Weight Watchers, these are absolutely amazing, and you guys are gonna scream. Just kidding, you're not gonna scream at the points. But it's 4 pieces of wontons for 1 point. Oh yes, the best. And then cauliflower, 0. Of course, the edamames, 0 points. And Oh, okay, so another one of my favorite things is this miso ginger broth. Okay, this is amazing. All you do is boil this and then, or boil the amount that you need, and then you just plop these in there and you've got some instant wonton soup. Oh my gosh, and I still will like drizzle a little of this in it, and it is the best ever and super quick and easy. Try it, trust me, try it. And what's better is this is 0 points. A cup, 0 points it says. Okay, and then I got some turkey corn dogs, and my daughter is going through a corn dog kick right now. She's loving corn dogs. When we go to restaurants, she orders the corn dogs. So I got her these turkey corn dogs because at Trader Joe's they don't have the regular corn dogs, or at least ours doesn't. And it's 5 points for one, in case you guys are curious. This would taste good with mac and cheese, right? Then I got some roasted turkey breasts. This is for the whole fam, but especially my son, my almost 4-year-old. He loves turkey sandwiches. That's his jam. And then I got some spinach tortellini. I like spinach ravioli a lot, but I haven't tried spinach tortellini. I kind of want to make it myself, like so it could be lower points. Try to figure out an alternative, but I wanted this. We're now craving, and it's 9 points for a cup. So I mean, I'm gonna have to watch what I eat throughout that whole day when I do plan on having that. Got some fresh thin sliced boneless skinless breasts. These are just really thin sliced, and I like them like that. I like it like that. Then cereal for the kids, or for me, of course, with the almond milk. And this is low sodium. I don't know if that matters to any of you, but I was like, I never noticed that. And I've gotten this cereal before, never noticed that it said low sodium. But it's 5 points. Then I got some Tempura Cauliflower. If you can handle hot spiciness, get this. If you can't, still try it, but have a ton of like water or milk next to you because it burns your lips. But it is so good, and you will be full. I'm telling you, you will be super full. And this is, and it is 6 points for a cup. And then I got my husband's favorite, and it is the orange chicken from Trader Joe's. He doesn't like orange chicken from any other store, any grocery store, except for Trader Joe's. So yeah, just thought I would share that with you guys. And we usually have this with fried rice, but I'm gonna start having mine with just my cauliflower rice because I like it so much more. And this is 9 points for a cup. So yeah, that is all for my haul video, my Trader Joe's haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna have a Sapporo, but shh, that's our secret, okay? Bye. Okay, bye.